Students, welcome to Iqra English School. I hope you all must be fine dear. As you know that this is your class 3rd NCERT EVS book looking around, and today we are reading the chapter number 15, making pots. Dear students, do you know that this chapter is going to be start with a story. The story of a sparrow and crow. In this chapter, the name of sparrow is Phudgudi and the name of crow is Bhanet. Both were fast friends. So let's start the chapter. Once there was a sparrow called Phudgudi and a crow called Bhanet. They were fast friends. One day Bhanet said, "Oh Phudgudi, if you lay eggs first, then I will eat them, and if I lay eggs first, then you can eat them." Agreed? Phudgudi agreed. Both decided that if anyone lay egg first, then the other can eat that egg. A few days later, Phudgudi laid an egg. Bhanet said, "Give me your egg, I will eat it. Do, give it, give it, give it." When Phudgudi laid the egg, the crow asked to her legs. Then Phudgudi was very scared. Phudgudi was scared. She said, "Yes, but I want you to first go and wash your beak in the river." Bhanet went to the river bank and said to it, "O river." "Yes, brother," said the river. Bhanet, "O river, please give me some water. With cold water I will wash my beak. Eating the egg is what I seek." Bhanet said to the river that to give me some water. With the water I will wash my beak because I have to eat the egg. The river said, "But how will I fill water? Get a pot." The river answered that, "First of all, bring a pot for me, then I will give you some water." Then Bhanet went to the potter and said, "Oh potter, please give me a pot." Bhanet went to the potter and said to give him a pot. He said to potter, "In the pot I will get water from the river. With cold water I will wash my beak. Eating the egg is what I seek." He said to the potter that in the pot he will fill the water, and with cold water he will wash his beak because he is to eat the egg. Then the potter said, "But how do I make a pot? Go and get some clay from the clay pit." The potter told him to go and take some clay from the clay pit. Then Bhanet went to the clay pit and said to it, "Oh clay pit, please give me some clay." He went to the clay pit and asked for some clay. "The potter will make a pot for me. I will fill water in the pot. With cold water I will wash my beak. Eating the egg is what I seek." He said to the clay pit that when the clay pit will give him some clay, then he will take to the clay to the potter. The potter will make the pot for him. In pot he will fill the water from the river, and with the water he will wash his beak because he is to eat the egg. The clay pit said, "But how do I dig the soil? Get me a trowel from the blacksmith." Bhanet went to the blacksmith and said to him, "O blacksmith." The blacksmith said, "Yes, brother Bhanet, what do you want?" Bhanet said, "Please give me a trowel." The clay pit will dig out clay for me. With the trowel I will get a pot made and get water in it. With cold water I will wash my beak. Eating the egg is what I seek. To blacksmith he said that with the trowel I will dig the pit, I will dig some clay and with the clay the potter will make the pot for me. In the pot I will take the water from the river. From the water I will wash my beak, and I have to eat the egg, because I have to eat the egg. The blacksmith said, "Sure, you can take the trowel, but do remember to return it." The blacksmith said him to return the trowel after completing your work. Bhanet took the trowel and went to the clay pit. It dug the soil and get some clay. The potter made a pot for him. Bhanet filled water in the pot and washed its beak, and he then ran to eat Phudgudi's egg. After, when the blacksmith gave the trowel to Crow, then he took some clay from the clay pit. He took the clay to the potter. The potter made a pot for him. Then he went to the river and took some water in the pot. After taking the water in the pot, he washed his beak, and then he ran to eat Phudgudi's egg. By that time the sparrow's egg hatched. A little bird came out of it and flew away, far away from Bhanet. In that time the sparrow's egg hatched, and a little birdie came out from it and flew away. So this was the complete and a very interesting story. And in this chapter you saw that the sparrow was very clever, and with her intelligence she saved her baby's life. Try to listen the chapter carefully. Try to understand. I will give you some question answer. So soon we will meet. Till then, good day.